Right, you know, that's it. Right, get a fucking proper review.
Send it on.
There's that's it. Oh, right, Gareth, stand there with the cloth. Show the cloth to the fucking camera, like.
Show the cloth.
Show it, nah. Listen, show the cloth, Gareth. Show the cloth to the camera.
Show the cloth.
The almighty fucking cloth.
This is cloth.
This is gonna cost fucking no fucking this guy.
Skull's head.
My
crack his skull open.
Oh! 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 Woo! That's he's fucking loving it. Stop.
No, Mister's loving it. Mister's loving it. Mister's loving it.
Oh! Come on. Keep going on. I'm loving it. Come on.
Oh, mate. He's trying to keep doing that, ain't he?
Go for the full punches now. Full punches.
Keep going. Keep going.
Full punches. Full punches now.
Come on.
Oh! You see him going fucking that punches. What's that fucking
Full
break?
punches.
Oh!
Whoa.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Sorry, I got there, mate. Sorry, man. Keep going. Come on.
Full punches. Full punches.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Make it slap.
Oh!
Come on, keep going. I'm pushing it.
Get some air in it. Get some air in it. That's fucking some evil ass shit, like, that's fucking brilliant.
Oh, it's better
That's
than
so
that.
fucking sexy.
Shit, like.
Oh, okay. Get some air.
You just want to simplest in there.
I don't like fucking hit you, mate.
I don't mind simplest in there.
Down to the
I don't like hitting me, but I love fucking the like.
Going for the full punches.
Come on.
Oh, right in the fucking nose. That shit right on my fucking face. Give me a fucking shot.
Follow through with the fist.
If you're punch these, I'm gonna knock you. Yeah, again, like.
Follow through with the fist.
And then once more, I'll knock you, like. No, it's down. Name me a fist in the face and I will kill you, I swear on my life.
One shot.
Go where you want.
Fucking evil, mate.
But didn't hit me with your fist, or I'll not be happy like that. You just tell me with your fist there. But twice in a row, mate, I'm not going to take that.
Listen, I'm saying one shot, right?
Alright, on you go, mate.
I'm gonna shoot Eddie in the first fucking place.
Again?
Again?
Come on.
Oh, get there.
What's up, G?
Get there.
I've got your video, son. I've got your video.
Come on, man.
What's in?
You didn't sort of technique there. How did it? Our hands, man.
Oh, my goodness, like.
It's called the Dragon Ball Z.
Oh!
You got some technique in that, bad boy.
Fuck, man.
Hey, get that again, son. That is some technique in the bad boy.
That's a good swing, man.
What a technique you've got there, son. You should be a pro in that shit, like.
Come on.
You should be a pro in that shit. Oh! Again! Oh!
Come on.
That is fucking evil.
As soon as you tell me to stop, I'll stop.
Right, come on.
Right, I'll be here all day.
Oh. Shut up. Oh, you fucking.
Oh, that's good, man.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Oh, you fucker.
No, let's see that side of your
His
face.
skin's coming off.
No,
His skin's coming off.
His
His skin's coming off, mate.
let's see the side of your face.
Mate, your skin is coming off.
Look at your skin's like you're peeling. Let's go. You're peeling.
Alright, let's go.
No, miss. It's peeling at the side of the face.
Yeah, it's next to you, next to you.
Mate, I'll fucking go up in the ass.
No,
Hey,
see on you next.
it looks metal in the video. It looks metal in the video.
I was joking, yeah.
Fucking sick.
There you go. There you go. Go on, fucking. There you go. There you go.
It's
Keep going, come on.
rad as fuck.
There you go. Hey. As much as you want, keep it going. Keep it going.
I just like this technique, like.
No, it's good. Like, you can get the our hand smart. I'm liking it.
It's harder than that, like. Keep it going, man.
Oh, I took. Comes right out of the heat.
Okay.
Right in the back of the heat and then in the face. That's the technique and a half.
Oh, just making me red, so I'm loving this, like. Keep it going. No, keep it. Just tell me.
Try to tell me this. Let me see your neck. Let me see your neck. Show the neck.
Oh, yeah.
I know it's
Bleeding, man.
Keep it, it's so fucked.
Ripping his skin off.
Keep it coming. Keep it going.
Keep going.
Keep coming, keep it coming.
Fucking, these are fucking howking.
Yeah, that's I can see that. Like,
Like, what, stand
here, see it.
They
Look
want me,
at
right, that's it. They want me, that's it.
Come on, follow here. Like, stop sticking there.
Keep coming. Come on. Keep him coming.
1 minute, that's it, right?
Keep him coming.
Ready? Get this one fucking video.
Oh, yeah. One. Who's won a shot? Who's won a shot?
Keep doing it.
Hey, can I have a shot? Honestly, I've got no grudge against him. I've no grudge against you. Come on, have a shot. After this, let someone else have a shot to you, right?
You enjoyed this?
Let someone else have a shot after this one. I want someone to have a shot. Oh, I've no grudge against any of you, man. It's just a appreciation. You're loving this,
You're not hitting.
oh, it's good pure hype in his fuck, man.
You want to take
Come on, keep going.
See your neck, and I'm on your neck. Fucking red.
Right, pissed off fucking day.
What's it? You seen the deal was pure product.
Because you're mentally
Oh, it's pure product, but I think you're fucking bit pain me. I love the pain.
1 minute, right, and that's it, right?
I'm telling you.
I want someone else to have a shot. Obviously, they grudge hell.
See, fucking got you, loser. Hey, push that.
Where didn't they grudge hell?
Look, you get shite how many times I fucking
There you
did.
go. Honestly, I've been on pellets and valleys.
Like, this young man gets a shite every time he does it.
I've been on pellets and valleys. I can't feel nothing.
This is ultimate. You fucking took your time, did you know?
She's a few drugs, though.
I will take it.
Yeah. How much? Yeah.
Quick, take a few drugs.
There's no grudge me, I swear on my life.
They can beat that though.
Yeah, it's got a good swing.
Take a few drugs.